And then water pressure into the home. It's something that can be very frustrating for a homeowner because you could be in a neighborhood for many, many years and be just fine. Then all of a sudden a new development starts and now your water pressure isn't what it used to be, or they're overcompensating it for it and you've got extremely high pressure. As development comes, the cities never know how much water needs to be pushed through the system or is going to be used at any one given time. So everything's pressurized the best they can, but it has to be treated first. So their capacity to treat and supply can fluctuate daily as activities happening, as construction's happening, as water use is happening. And I don't know why this isn't required, that builders put a pressure regulator on the home, but it's not. But that's something every home should have.
Yeah, and that is something that you can have installed and looked at, and you can call your plumber to do that. Thunderbird Plumbing can do that as well. But your water pressure, if you've got valves, then you can always check that and know if you're right in the range. The water pressure should be below 80 psi. If it's above, it's going to require that a pressure-reducing valve be installed also. And that way, then you can kind of control your pressure as to where you might want it if you need it to increase. If it's a higher use time maybe, or you got more going on, you might turn that pressure up if you have a lot of people staying with you over the holiday, and then you can turn your pressure back down to its normal cycle